Welcome to the Learn a Language channel. This is where you can improve your English with micro stories. Hello, I'm Emma, and I want to share a special day at a cafe called Café d'Amour. It's a cozy and nice place. When I walked in, I smelled something wonderful, like coffee and sweet things. A friendly person who worked there knew me and said, "Hello, Emma, what would you like today?" I smiled and said, "Hi, I'd like my usual, please. A caramel macchiato. You always make it taste so nice." The person said, "Of course, Emma. We'll make it just the way you like it." It made me feel happy that they remembered what I liked. I found a comfortable spot by the window, and the sunshine made everything look pretty. There were even flowers on my table. I took out my notebook to write stories and draw pictures. The cafe was busy, with people talking and laughing. From the hidden speakers around the cafe, played soft music. Everyone looked so happy. I started to feel a little hungry, so I decided to order a croissant. It was warm and tasted really good. But I couldn't resist also trying the red velvet cake. It had creamy frosting on top and was super yummy. While I was enjoying my cake, a friendly waitress came over to my table. She smiled and asked, "Is there anything else you'd like, Emma?" I looked at the menu and thought for a moment. "I'd love a hot chocolate, please. Can you make it extra creamy, with whipped cream on top?" The waitress nodded and said, "Of course, Emma. I'll get that for you." It felt nice that she was so helpful. As I sat there with my cake and hot chocolate, I realized that Café d'Amour was a very special place for me. I could have delicious food, write stories, and feel cozy and happy. I knew I would come back here for more fun and yummy times. If you want to improve your English, here are a few more ideas for you.